Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to power on an Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer, just like this one right here. These will be some easy steps and I'll show you how to do it in a simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Once again, how to power on an Osmo Mobile 6, just like this. These will be easy steps for you to follow along with, and this will be a very simple tutorial, step by step. Let's get into this. So essentially, when you have your Osmo Mobile 6 powered off, most likely it's going to be like this, folded up, okay? The easiest way to power it on is to essentially unfold it. So you can see there's an arm right here that folds down into this like open area right here where this bump is over here. And essentially, I say bump because I actually just hit my head and it kind of hurts. So I might have a bump in the next couple videos that I film. But anyways, back to this video. You can see it's sort of folded in right here. This is the folding point of the gimbal right here. So you want to unfold it. So just get a good grip of it like this and just unfold it, and it will automatically turn on. As you can see, it's powered on. It's sort of moving around. It'll automatically turn on. Very simple. So you just unfold it to turn it on. Now, alternatively, if it's already unfolded and it's turned off, because sometimes it automatically powers itself off, or maybe you manually turned it off, or maybe the battery died and you ended up charging it with it unfolded and you unplugged it and now it's charged but it's still off. Whatever the case is, if it's off and it's already unfolded, then this M button right here also serves as a power button. So I'm going to turn it off using the M button right here. I'm just going to hold it for a couple seconds. It's powered off. Okay, you can see it's not like it's not having any motion power at all. And essentially, when you want to power it back on, you just press this M button like this. Sorry, press it for, yeah, there you go, just quickly. I was going to say press it for a couple seconds, but you just have to press it quickly. To turn it off, you hold it down, okay? As you can, give it a sec. I was holding down this trigger at the back here too, unfortunately. To turn it off, you just hold it down for a few brief moments, and then to turn it back on, you just press it like that. Give it a nice firm press, and that's it. Two different ways to power it on. You unfold it, or you press the M button for like a quick second. And that's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.